All right, friends, welcome to Resource Prepping here in Ohio, growing zone 6A. Things are starting to wind down in the garden. Been very busy this morning and this afternoon. First off, I cleaned up the invasive pumpkin patch that I didn't plant, but it just took over everything. There's results of all the pumpkins that were growing there, but it was loaded with more vine-boring beetles. So I got busy and I picked all the majestic peaches off the tree. I got some really nice tomatoes, cucumbers, green beans, peas, and some sugar baby watermelons that have been delicious, and some more green beans. Have plenty of tomatoes left, but like I said, things are winding down here on the homestead and it's looking pretty drab. So I'm getting ready to refurbish some of these beds. This was the peas and green beans. Still have plenty of green beans left here. I got to pick those. This one here was a really disappointment because the invasive pumpkin patch took over, wiped out pretty much all my onions, leeks, and everything else. So I got some more topsoil with compost, and I'm going to refurbish this, get it ready for next year. Chickens have been eating pretty good on the pumpkins I've been cutting up. Corn was a failure this year. So this is the sweet potatoes planting in grow bags. I'm not sure how they're doing, but they've been in the ground since early June. Don't know if anything's there, but we're going to take a peek and see. That had nothing in it, but we'll see if there's anything buried down in here. One little bitty one. I feel something down there. Yeah, there's a sweet potato way down in there. I'll have to dig that out later. But he's buried down there. Here's the rest of the sweet potatoes that have obviously taken over the garden. So we're going to see, they've all been planted at the same time, so I don't know if we have anything in here or not. Plenty of vines. Let's see if we got anything worthwhile growing in the ground. And believe me, there's a lot of, oh, here we go. Sorry about the optics. I know it doesn't look great. Let's see what it looks like here. Boy, these guys are in there pretty deep. Kind of disappointed so far. And like always, we always got to work for it. But so far, I'd say that's kind of a bust. That's too bad. But plenty of tomatoes. A lot of work to do. Cancel.